What is going on, guys? My name is Liam and welcome back to another video. Today I've got a weird one for you. It's going to be short and sweet. I bought Miata parts for my Mazda 3. Now these aren't just any Miata parts. These are 2017 to current Mazda Miata air vents. So weirdly enough, these should fit the 2004 to 2009 Mazda 3s. We're going to go ahead and find out, and I will go ahead and give you a little review and let you know whether they look good or not. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, like I said, this is going to be short and sweet. We're just going to go ahead and open these up real quick. The humidity outside definitely made that a lot easier to open, but yeah, I'm going to do this off camera. Okay, so I got them unboxed, but first I'm going to give you a little overview of what these ones look like. Now, these are just the stock corner vents that come in every single 04 to 09 Mazda 3. You close them like that, and that's how you block airflow. Now to take these off, it's as simple as just grabbing and pulling. Just like that. Putting this to the side, we'll go ahead and grab one of these, and before I put it in, I just wanted to say that, yeah, I found out that these are supposed to fit in a Mazda 3 forum that I'm in. Something that the forum did not say, and this is honestly why I'm making a video about this, is that you do have to take out this little midsection piece that goes in right there. The old vent would usually snap right in just like that and spin around and all that kind of jazz. Now be very, very careful taking this out because it is kind of hard to get out without damaging the dashboard. So just beware of that. Now, another thing that the forum did not talk about, which I'm going to discuss right now, is that this little ledge right there needs to be cut out on the bottom, because on these air vents, as you can see, there's a little raised section right there that keeps the air vent stationary and will not allow for movement like that. And with the design of this, you want that facing the bottom because that looks like a little power symbol, right? So with both sides of the car, you do have to cut that out with just like a razor blade or something like that. And when that's done, you can go ahead and set this air vent in, make sure that it is properly seated, and just give it a little tap, just like that, and it's fully seated. This is what it looks like. It looks so much better than the other ones. You see that one right there. It looks literally beautiful. Way better than this little boring thing. But yeah, I mean, that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to leave a thumbs up. I know it was a short one, but I thought it was something really cool, and I really wanted to share it with you guys because not a lot of people have done this to their car. I think it's honestly only one person in that forum and then me. So yeah, anyways, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.